In this video, you will learn how to complete your onboarding process to Papaya Personal. When you first receive your onboarding email, click the secure link to complete registration. Enter a password and click Create Account. Your Papaya Personal account has been created. Log in to add your details. After completing this action, it will take you to your personalized onboarding page where you'll see the tasks you need to complete as part of your onboarding process. Start with the Contact Details section by clicking the Start button. Fill out all your personal information in the required fields. Continue based on the fields you have from the dynamic form. Please note the fields are dynamic and vary based on the country you are in. Click on Continue to get to the next task. Your data is being auto-saved even if you log out and want to complete it later. You can track your progress using the blue bar at the top of the page and the note on every task. Complete all the required tasks. They are all very straightforward, and because of that, we allow ourselves to fast forward to the point where you would complete all tasks. Once all required sections show as completed, click on the checkbox at the bottom of the page. This will confirm that all your information is accurate and that you consent that your data may be used by Papaya for payroll and employment purposes. End the process by clicking Finish and Submit. Now you can download the Papaya Personal app to your mobile device or log in via the web portal using your password. That's it. We now have all the details needed for your onboarding. Thank you for watching.